In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a snowstorm in a jar. Here is what you'll need. Baby oil, white paint, glitter, a jar, a cup of water, and some Alka-Seltzers. Take your baby oil and pour 3/4 of it into your jar. Pour some of your white paint into the cup of water and stir it together until it's mixed. This is optional, but we have poured some glitter into our mixture. It's time to create our snowstorm. Slowly pour your mixture into the jar. Break up the Alka-Seltzer into pieces and drop it into the jar. So you're probably wondering what the science is behind this. Well, because oil is less dense than water, the water will naturally sink to the bottom of the jar. When the Alka-Seltzer is dropped into the jar, its interaction with the water creates pressure in an upward direction and the oil pushes it back down. This pressure back and forth is part of what creates the snowstorm. The other element is the interaction between water and the sodium bicarbonate in the Alka-Seltzer, which generates carbon dioxide gas. The combination of these factors creates a blizzard every time. We would love to see your photos of your own snowstorm. Remember to send us in your photos via social media.